Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, May 16th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I still suspect that this is likely the end of a pullback, the end of an ABC correction on the 4-hour time frame. If that is true, it definitely can still make a move up, but most likely it's going to make lower lows, lower highs, because if this is the end of a pullback, then it should go down and take out the lows. And especially my weekly, monthly, but my daily also time frame analysis is still very, very, very bearish. I am still very bearish on all the dollar pairs. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely do have a break on the 1 hour, probably telling us that this wave from here to here is over. So we probably are in the middle of a move to the upside. And I think that this is either going to go up and make an equal high compared to this high and then go down, or maybe even a lower high and go down. I still think there's a good chance this is like a 1, 2, and it's going to make a wave 3. So depending on what time frame you're trading, if you're on the very, very short time frames, you could be trying to go long. If you're more of a, swing trader, day trader, you're probably waiting for a short at the end of a wave 2. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.